Hi, I'm Jean. I'm from the Brooklyn Meditation Center. This week's topic, me who wants people to do the things my way. I have my own way doing things because I like to be effective and then want to do the things very fast. So I have to organize everything, the way that I like to do it. So if I'm working by myself, that's fine because everything is everywhere that I really want to be, I can find easily, so I can do it by myself. However, when I do the work with other people together, I don't understand why they don't understand. My way is a lot easier and a lot faster. And then when I was meditating, I just realized that it is just me who want those people to do my way because I think I'm right and more effective and more faster. And then I don't want people to see wasting their time. But as I say, it is all my wants. It's because of my wants, right? Because of that, I'm the one frustrated and I'm not happy for that either. So the more I meditate, I try to throw away the mind that I want and also the way, doing things my way. And then I realized that's only in my head. That's totally only me. No one understands, why I'm doing it. But then later on, I tried to explain that I'm doing things this way because it's easy and it's more like, step by step. You don't have to go back and forth. So it's like a one-step flow. So, and then the people understand, wow, that makes easy. Then they can just do it my way. However, sometimes still people don't understand and, they don't remember where things are. Then they have to go back and forth. They have to find it. So then before I was so frustrated I cannot take it. But now after the meditation, actually, I can just see them because they have to learn or they have their own way doing things. What I need to do is simply accept that they have different way of doing things from me. I just free myself from my own thoughts that wanting or things have to be doing my way perfectly. I don't have to think that anymore. Just doing things my way and then let them do the things their own way. As long as they're happy, and everybody's happy.